Today, we're turning viral videos into slime. The internet is full of viral videos and memes that are blowing up on TikTok every single day. So I'm challenging the slime creators to make the best viral video slimes. The winner of today's video gets to keep the slime van for a full week. Whoa! So without further ado, for round one, you guys are gonna be making your favorite memes into slime, and I'm gonna judge them and see if I can tell what meme it is. So good luck.
The meme that I'm gonna choose for this video is none other than 6'7".
Hey, 6'7"!
I don't even think they know what it means, so I'm gonna confuse them and blow this competition out of the water.
For my slime, I'm doing nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday.
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday.
You know that one, guys? Did you like my accent? Nothing beats.
For my meme, I'm gonna make Andrew.
Huh?
Just kidding. I'm gonna have my favorite reptile, lizard.
Oh, the lizard
Yeah,
guy.
yeah. Lizard.
I like that.
Okay, so now that you guys have chosen your memes, you'll have 1 hour to complete your meme slime and submit it to the contest. 3, 2, 1, go.
I need to grab some slime. Oh, look how handy dandy right behind me. We got some freaking slime and we got a Dan. Hello. Time to grab some memory butter because I feel like that will be the easiest to work with. Oh yeah, look at that gooey slime. So let me just grab a nice blob for the Jet 2 holiday. Look, everyone, it's all empty. I'm the only one in here. Andrew like really left. I don't know where that little fellow went.
We barely have anything in this new content space. Now, is going to the new content space a little bit cheating? I don't know, it wasn't described in the rules. But I mean, who wouldn't want to drive this thing for a whole week? Hold on, I should go get someone else to drive it for me, just in case if I start to run out of time, I could have someone driving the van back to the new place as I'm finishing out my slime in the van. Hey, can you drive me to the old warehouse?
Is that my key?
That's not important. Come on, we gotta go.
What do we have? We've got stars. Oh, these are all so basic. Lizard. We caught some lizards in the office the other day. We made this tank for them and we set them free. But I wanted to use that same tank. No, it's gone. Who cleaned it up?
There is no way I'm gonna be able to lose this challenge because we have all the resources and ingredients at this warehouse. We just gotta make sure that we're fast, and the 6'7" slime is amazing.
I feel like my best bet is just literally finding some clay to make lizards out of. Don't mind if I do. Take this. Okay, the closest thing to a lizard is dinosaurs. Kind of like lizards, right? What if I like cut up a squishy to look like lizards? I'm gonna try this. Okay, these cute little seals are gonna die. I have my idea. Grab some scissors and let's head back.
A Jet 2 holiday, I feel like I picture a blue slime with little white clouds and an airplane. How hard can that be, you know? Let's start off by dyeing this slime blue. I don't know if I have an airplane charm here, so I might have to make one myself. I think this is a really lovely sky blue. I'm quite proud of it. This is why I like memory butter slime. Look at that swirl. I really like this meme too. I think people are still using it.
Let's get to work on these little seals. I'm so sorry. Okay, I got the little tail going on now. It could be a lizard, maybe. If you close one eye and then close the other eye, it's looking lizard-like. Oh wait, I needed a piece for the arm. Beautiful. Oh, you know, it kind of does look like a salamander. Let's grab a base. I think I'm gonna grab some butter.
Since we're in the new warehouse, we don't have as many charms as we used to. I wanted clouds. I know we have cloud charms at the old warehouse, but I don't know if we have them at this warehouse. We have rainbows. I could do rainbows. Those feel holiday-y. These are cute. What else feels holiday vibe-y? Maybe there's like a British charm I could use if they're British. Leave a comment if you're from Britain. I've never been there, but I would love to go. A Jet 2 holiday. Ooh, I'll do a bubble bath because I feel like if you're on vacation, you take a bath. And you know what? And a palm tree, because holiday.
I want to have this van for a week so bad. It's just so cool.
Maybe I'll add some kind of charms on top that make it look scary. I don't know. But I'm gonna color it to match this this makeshift lizard I have here. Got some pigments. Time to dab on. A little pink from the lid. A little bit goes a long way. Ooh, actually, I'm gonna do a clear slime on the bottom and then a butter on top. I feel like that'll make an interesting texture. This is close to being color matched. Actually, I kind of like this like half mixed look. I might just leave it like this. It looks kind of like magical. It looks like a magical unicorn cake frosting. All right, and there's this crate over here of, what is this? Candyland Axolotl. I think this is cute. I'm literally just gonna use this.
Ah, it feels good to be home. Now, when you think of the number 6, 7, what color comes to mind? I'm thinking like a bright orange and then also a neon yellow sort of color. And you have like some sort of Bingsu swirl action. Yeah, okay, that's exactly what we're gonna do. I just need slime now. Oh, dude, we're still gonna win. This is what I'm talking about. First, we need to add the Bingsu because will be a Bingsu crunchy sort of slime. So let's add a very generous amount of Bingsu. I wonder how Hanna and Kristie are doing. I feel like we are just rocking through this.
So I have my cute little charms. I'm just gonna do like a white and blue swirl to make it the sky and then add my fun giant charm. So I need to swirl this into a container. Look at that lovely swirl. I'm gonna add this palm tree, bubble bath, rainbow. Okay, tell me that's not the cutest slime you've ever seen.
It's so cute. And take this. I love the gradient on here. Use this as the bottom part. And then for the top part, I'm gonna mix in this. This is so cute. That looks like a little cupcake. This is so cute. And then topped with a lizard, my lizard. I kind of like it. It needs some sprinkles. It needs some sprinkles. What screams lizard? Oh, there's leaves, Red and green leaves. Alrighty, sprinkles are on, and now add my lizard. Lizard. This is cute. This is the cutest lizard slime I've ever seen.
That is one solid Bingsu slime. Just look at the drizzle. Oh, the crunch. Ready? Listen to the crunch. That's good stuff. Now we need to remove half of the slime so that we can dye 1/2 the yellow and 1/2 the orange. Just a little bit of orange, just like that. A little bit of the orange dye goes a long way. And same with the yellow. Really anything with this gel color, it will go very far, which is like the tiniest little dribble drops. And watch this. Then you have this tiny little drop of orange. Watch what the slime turns into, which is this tiny drop. Bam, perfect orange Bingsu. Now we just do the same thing for the yellow. Oh, see, now that is a yellow right there. That is like a highlighter exploded into slime yellow. That is a gorgeous color. We're gonna roll, and then we're gonna roll, and then we're gonna roll the two hot dogs together, and then we're gonna take our slime, and we're going to roll it into the cup, and that, my friends, is a beautiful yellow and orange swirl slime.
All right, it's been 1 hour, and it looks like both of you have made some pretty good slimes. Lizard?
Lizard. Pink lizard.
Except it's a dog or a
No, it's a
seal
lizard.
Well, at first glance, I was definitely like, lizard, but then upon further
Yeah,
inspection, it looks
it's a lizard.
like you did some surgery here.
No, he's born like this.
It looks like a beach
Yep,
with a bath.
and a rainbow.
Where's the plane?
I couldn't find a plane,
Okay.
so I have the rainbow because rainbows are in the sky, planes are in the sky.
It does give holiday vibes.
It gives
I'll give you
holiday
that.
vibes.
And Andrew is not here.
Where is he?
I don't know. It's been an hour.
Andrew.
He knows about the time limit of 1 hour. We announced that clear as day in the beginning of the video.
I forgot about the charm part. What charms scream 6, 7? Sprinkles, crumbs. Oh, wait, here we go. Hey, there it is, black crumbs. That's what we need. And now we carefully craft our 6, 7. Now that is perfect. Now we just gotta bring this bad boy back to the other place.
So I was going to eliminate one of the three of you and then have like a head-to-head battle with the final, but Andrew's gone, so he's kind of like auto-eliminated. So I guess the two of you will auto make it to the finals to get
Cool.
a chance to win the slime band for a week.
I'll take
All
it.
right, good for us.
All right, so for your finale, your 1v1 face-off, I'm going to be picking what memes you guys are gonna be doing. I'm gonna throw it back to last year's memes, a bit of a classic round for the finale. And Kristie, you're gonna do Chill Dad.
Oh, chill guy.
And
Okay,
Hanna,
cool.
you're gonna be doing Chicken Jackie.
Chicken Jackie!
From the Minecraft movie, of course.
All right, I got this.
And you have an hour, and it begins in 3, 2, 1, go.
Let's grab some clay. We're gonna make our chill guy. Let's get mixing. I have faith. I'm talented. This is going to be good. Trying to get the general color of our chill guy. Oh, okay, this is a pretty good color. This is a pretty good color. I got it. All right, I got the shape of his head, his big nose.
All right, I think I'm gonna start off with a nice thick and glossy base, and I'm gonna make it teal to match Jack Black's shirt. Kristie, I'm gonna borrow some clays to make chicken jockey. So here's the jockey color. I might need another color. I'm gonna mix these 3 colors together for the chicken jockey. Okay, I'm not like an expert sculptor, so I'm gonna do my best here. You guys wanna know something horrible? I still haven't seen the Minecraft movie.
We gotta go. We gotta go fast. Ow, that was the handle. Ow, that was the handle.
Are you a chill person, Kristie?
No, I'm never chill.
You don't think you're chill? I think you're chill.
You think I'm chill?
Yeah, do you
What's
think-
the definition of chill?
Just like kind of relax.
Oh.
You don't get too worked up.
Oh, you know, you're right. Okay, I'm pretty chill.
Do you think I'm chill?
No. Hannah gets worked up very easily.
I get worked up really easily.
Ooh, I have a great nose on Chill Guy. Chill Guy's just like me. These big legs, they look like little blue marshmallows. Are they gonna stay? They have to stay. Oh my god. He's got no arms yet, but this is what he's looking like. It's like a horse in jeans. What is this?
The chicken is like a block body, because he's a Minecraft block thing. Chicken jockey body. Okay, so there's the chicken jockey body. I'm gonna give him a little beak. There's his beak. Beaks are hard to make, okay? This is so hot. I need to get this slime off of this guy. I wanna work with it on the table. Look, he's kinda cute. Look, he's on the chicken.
Just the shoes. We got one arm. It's gotta look more pocket-like. I'll make pockets on him. Now, how do I make it look like his hands are in his pockets? He's got some deep pockets. Oh my gosh, look at these pockets.
There he is. He's perfect. Wow. Honestly, I'm not mad about this chicken jockey. That's cute. I like him. All right, let's put it on my slime. Look at him. That's awesome. Okay, the back's a little funny, but we're just not gonna look at that. Maybe Dan will only look at the front when he's judging.
Grab some sleepy corgi. The memes got him with like these fall colored leaves and like the sky and stuff. It'll make part of this orange into a sunset using sunset orange. All right, and we have some leaves right here, which also fits this like grassy sunset vibe. So top it off with some leaves so that he's touching some grass like a chill guy. And now our final chill guy is on top. Gorgeous.
There's no way that we could get stopped and lose at this point. This is so perfect. Hannah and Kristie have no chance. Hannah and Kristie are so, oh my goodness.
So who would like to present their slimes first?
I would.
Chicken jockey.
Oh, the chicken's so cute.
He is cute.
I love the chicken
You
face.
know what it looks like when you go to like a bake sale and they make like little characters that go on the cupcakes?
Yeah,
That's what it feels like. It's like a
it
little marshmallow
does.
chicken and then a little marshmallow creeper, except it's supposed to be a zombie. It does look like a creeper.
Oh, it does look like a
But,
creeper.
and it's blue. It's the same color as Steve's shirt. It's Minecraft Steve blue. I like it.
Thank
It has a lot of
you.
charm. It has a lot of
Thank
character.
you.
And now with the giant chill guy.
So I started with the
Oh
head,
my.
and I realized it was a little too big.
Like usually he's got like the long sleeve like pullover like because it's fall, which I see you did like some orangey
Yeah, that's
yellow bit
pretty.
here.
Yeah.
But now he's just summer chill guy.
He's Jack.
He's Jack now.
He's got a V-neck.
Slime wise, Kristie has a little bit more effort. She's got 2 color slime representing the theme of the meme. Slime wise on Hannah's side, she's got the Minecraft Steve color. So they're both on brand. Now the choice is up to me. Do I want to pick Giga Chad Chill Guy or do I want to pick Baked Goods Chicken Jockey? And I think the winner and the person who's going to be keeping the slime ban for the next week of our lives is Giga Chad Chill Guy.
Oh, let's go.
Kristie.
I get the pink van.
Can I at least hang out in the front seat sometimes?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Hannah's my passenger princess.
All right, so let's go. Take a look at the van. Take a look at what you won. Let's go.
All right, I'm ready for my car, my van.
Here you go, Kristie.
My pink
Your
van.
new pink slime machine for the week. Wait,
Wait, where is it?
where's the van?
So we ran out of gas. I'm gonna call Dan real quick just to see if I can make it back in time. Hi. So we ran out of gas. What do I do?
Well, the challenge ended like 2 hours ago. So
What?
You already lost.
We're gonna need the van back actually, because Kristie won, so It's her van now.
It's all right.
Oh, but I wanted the van so bad. That's a double sucker punch then, because now that means I lose the van, and now we're stuck on the side of the road with no gas.
Yeah, man. I need that van back by tomorrow, so good luck.
Wait, you're not gonna help?
Bye.
No, wait, I need help. Well, now what?